make it in a life. Done with school.
If you know no more food, the belly full.
Talk to him, Andy.
I make it in a life.
So one eyeball.
You see.
Alright, peeps.
Go ahead and sing me over this, sir. Yeah, you can see it. Big up yourself, you see it. Every time. Money! See what Jerome do? Tour guide. Want make money, you know. See me bloody tourist there. Say hi, tourist. Say hi, tourist. Say hi, tourist.
Tour guide.
Yes. 1,000 an hour I'm again. Yes, 1,000 an hour.
So these are the poor Jamaicans coming to foreign. Like somebody put them out. Walking on the road with pots.
Yeah.
Sarah!
People never tell them something else.
Hey, if you guys are too hot, let me know. Too cold. I have a tendency to put the air on. I like it, but some people don't like it. And you can control it back here. You see the
That's over there is New Hampshire.
this side, anything over there.
So New Hampshire.
Actually, let's see, New Hampshire right now.
Okay.
Right in the middle of the dinosaur bones? I think they do. I haven't been in there so long.
That's in yours, a dinosaur.
I forgot. We are now in Cambridge, which is a different city.
Okay.
It's not really Boston, we call it Boston. It's where Harvard is located, it's where MIT, and where your shopping center is located. Right here is your shopping
Where there?
Harvard. We're at Harvard University, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I'm saying so I'm checking in today.
Yep.
When are you checking, Andy?
I feel good because right now I know it's no scholar no day are greater than me.
Yeah, well.
There's some more gates, right? This is Harvard Square. People come and sit there and talk, and philosophers, free speech movement. Oh, well, when Shaquille O'Neal played for the Boston Celtics, okay? He played only a half a year, then he got hurt. He went over here one day, sat down. Now, he's a big guy, 7 feet tall, but he is big.
Yeah.
Towers over everybody. He's not just tall, he's rugged. And he sat there for 3 hours with his hands up and didn't say a word. He just stared into space. and people came and took pictures of him.
Wow, like a
And-
statue.
Like a statue. He was there the whole time. And he didn't talk to anybody. He just wanted to see how people would react to him. We did that? The same guy? Yeah. He's on
TV now on the halftime shows. Right? This is all where you went inside. Yeah. It's pretty inside though, right? Yeah, it is. Come on, Azin. You know what? The place is Azin. Azin, that's not Azin. That's seriously Azin. Oh. This shouldn't be Azin.
So boss, come on. Bourbon. Come buy 4 different kind of meat and I'm man. If you let me know that you eat my food sweet, I'm almost done. John's not the truth.
Is it?
I'm going to frog him on there,
Be only the police. You want it?
I'm not at the bed, man. Go bathroom, I come out. Mash up, man. Tired. The zeal, like say, somebody run a wreck. This is what's up. I'm tired. My shoulders are paining me. I'm missing my day. I am hungry. I have a lot of work in front of me to do. All of those I have to cut up, I have to wrap them. I'm just stressed. I use the calculator, I check up the money we make. I want to see how long the little months coming at that book. Literally a book. You see it, so here's macaroni. Gardos. I rub it up there, so. Alright. Let's hold it again.
One.
Hold it.
One.
Yeah. you know, leave me alone. Oh God, that's what you did to me when we went to the beach.
So,
As you're posing for pictures and you're making a video.
hi.
Hi world. Hi Ebs.
Hi.
Who you sending greeting to?
Everybody, all of the good body people in my name Sunday.
I'm sending greeting to my friends and my family back home.
Cut.